Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the game Hill Climb Racing 2. So as you can see right now, I'm really poor in Hill Climb Racing 2, but in the mod menu we can actually enable unlimited gems. So I'm going to go ahead and do that just to show you guys that this actually works. So you can get like rich. So let me just enable unlimited gems right there. And let's see if our gems are going to increase. So currently I think I have 850. So I'm just hoping to get some more, and bang guys, it actually works. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Hill Climb Racing 2 modded version for your iPhone or Android device. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So the first thing we're going to do is just go to our browser and we're just going to go over to the tweakmod.com. So let me just type that in right here. So anyway guys, now we're going to go onto the search bar and just type in Hill Climb Racing 2. Press install and do verification. So this is the last step. We got to download 2 apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% free from the official app store. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. So as you can see right here, it is loading. So after it loads, there is a verification you got to do. So you got to download like 2 apps and complete the instructions, but they're 100% for free from the official app store. So that's pretty simple. So let me just wait for this to load here, as you can see. And now we're done. So basically you can see it says missing files. So we just have to download 2 of these apps. So they're all from the app store, completely free. So for instance, Blackout Bingo says downstall, play 3 games, right? So I just download it and do that. Then they've got like Solitaire, Travel Town, just tons of these stupid apps. So just do 2 of them, guys. Complete the instructions. There is a tutorial here if you need to watch that, but it's pretty easy. So that is how to get the Hill Climb Racing 2 mod menu for iPhone and Android, guys. So if you followed all the steps in the video, guys, it should work. So yeah, just make sure you download 2 of these apps. And some of them may hurt you. You might be like, this is too hard. If that's the case, guys, just do a different one, because you don't have to do the same ones I do, and you might not even have the same ones, and that's totally normal. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, peace out, bro. This is super insane, guys, and it totally works.